Hello everyone, welcome to this review of the HyperX Origins Allo 60. Alloy. I can't forget with the Y or the W. But anyways, I sound a little stuffy. I might be getting sick. Not a good thing, but we're gonna keep going with this review. So this keyboard is 60%, as you can tell. It's small, it's sleek, and it's kind of chunky. Look at that. Really chunky on the edges there. But this keyboard served me very well during my programming days in computer science. A really nice thing about it is that it's really nice to type on if you're if you're sitting down at your desk and you're just wanting to type. You kind of want to have your fingers up here though, so you can get to all the keys. They've got red linear switches for mine, because I wanted quiet. I don't want really loud. I also got these metal keycaps for my birthday, and they made things so much better when playing games and stuff like that. All your keybinds though are here, and you have to press FN in order to do certain things. So like pause and play is B, FNB, FNM is I think mute. Yeah, that's mute. And then volume up, volume down, change the colors, change the brightness, game mode, stuff like that. And then your function keys are up at the top. This keyboard, I think is about $90. At least that's how much I think I paid for it when I bought it. It might be like 100 or more now, but it's really cool, especially for programming. It connects USB-C, so you can connect anything to it. It does come with a USB-C cable, but it's USB-C to USB Type A. HyperX, give me your full logical answer to why you put USB-A on the end of this cord. Why? That doesn't make any sense. We're in a USB-C society now. But yes, this keyboard is very sleek. It comes with a custom thumb spacebar key, so you can swap them out. Really cool. And this is my review of the HyperX 60% keyboard. Thank you so much for joining me.